What's up, y'all? Today we're finna be playing Beach Buggy Racers, and today we're finna be doing some of the championships. And eeny, meeny, miny, mo, tied by his toe, ball, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I choose this one right over here. Let's do the one with lightning. Use Roxy Roller. You got my favorite character in this game. Platinum championship to get the gold color. That's pretty interesting. It's really hard with some cars. You got completely maxing out for any goodness. I be seeing these cars straight past me, and I'm they get this infinite experience, and I can those are some pretty cool. This car reminds me that one car. Snot Rocket. No, his name was Snot Rocket. It was that one car from Cars. It was part of that street gang that tried to ambush Mac. What was that car that had the big engine burnos? And every time it would sneeze, you get a speed boost. Back to the race. Making sure this This actually is really fun. You get speed boost or super high. It's actually the opposite. You got a moon effect. You just keep getting you're like cruising in first place, it's actually like, oh, here it comes. Shit. Like so extra. And we speeding in the first place without a cinch. Almost gonna stop this way. This place right here. Get more storage. Attention to detail they got. It's like old and English at the same time. This would make a rematch like this. Oh, there's already like a part 2. Hey y'all, sorry I'm back. It was sorry about the audio. It's like the audio crashes on here like every time that happens. Every time I like get a phone call, the audio will just crash. And I never knew why. Game is like old, so it probably like can't handle that. I guess I'm just gonna have to play this by ear. I mean by eye. Literally. Let's go. Oh, and we won that jump. Let's go. Sorry about that. No. Don't like the game at all. Totally stopped for some reason. And now I'm about to win. Speeding in the first place, no cap. Oh, ow. Just crashed into 3 of them junts. That's pretty crazy. Try to put some distance between me and everybody. Oh. Oh, and it flew straight past me, too. Dang, that man went all the way back. And I won. Let's go. I'll go. Oh, come on. I'm gonna try to put some distance between me and the racers, but it's too risky right now. I hate when you have to do this part. It's like the most annoying part. I'm gonna try and put some distance between us. I forgot about this cave. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Put some distance between me and all the racers. Oh, I didn't even hear that. How did I not hear that? And one. The aquarium. Oh! I just got it. Let's go. I can't believe I actually got that joint. I've never been able to do that. It's gonna be my first time ever doing that on camera. Or ever. And we up and we out. Like, we will be cruising in the first place. And never mind. I thought we were finna cruise. And here she comes. I'm about to say, if I didn't hit her, no domestic abuse. I just mean, like, with the fireball. No domestics. Dang. Come on. Let's go, got it. I don't know why I have those human skulls around. And we're out of here. I should add that to like a compilation. That was pretty fresh. Let's go. Here again. 2 times in a row. I'm gonna start trying to get good at that. I'm blown up. I don't even know what this man's got. And try to take, I know like every shortcut in this game. Sort of. I did not know that man had that. Okay. Him and the dude in a bunny suit. Not judging, just saying. Got neck and neck trying to do this shit. Did I say neck and neck? Not anymore. Oh, let's go. Hit the ricochet. Yeah, I hit the sky limit. I can't believe I just hit the sky limit. And we're almost done with this shot. Hey, it's Ghost Ninja's birthday. I always hated that shortcut. I mean, I liked it, but it's hard to explain. It's just when you come in too, I mean, no homo, but when you're coming too fast, it's just like hard to navigate, hard to control. You almost end up falling off that joint every time. And here's one I didn't even know about till like recently. I never knew about this until like pre-recording of this video. Somebody comment on the video if y'all want me to do the rock stomper next time. If y'all don't know what the rock stomper is, it's basically the monster truck. Yeah, basically, it would be a monster truck. You know, those giant tires with maximum precision. And we just smoked everybody. Everybody don't want smoke. This one might be hard. Oh. That's the first time that's ever worked. Just ignore that Xbox notification. If y'all didn't know, I do play on Xbox. My gamer tag is Super Hyper YT. I'm finna change it to like NFL Riri Gaming YT. So I want to change it to. But you know, that's like $10 to change it on there. And I just got like a butt ton of birthday money, like $200 something. But you know, I'm saving to get that next gen console. I want to get PS5, but all my friends gonna be playing on Xbox. I mean, really think about it, bruh. With all those exclusives coming out, there's like no way I wouldn't want to play on there. If I could just like go into the future and see which one would have been better, you know. I know it's not finna have 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte of storage. It's finna have like 825 gigabytes. Weird amount of storage, but don't judge these console companies. Finna come out with that Miles Morales game. That's finna be lit. It just got so much good stuff coming out. And what does Xbox have? Nothing. Xbox got nothing good going for them. I'm just gonna say it like that. And we won the championship with all 3 stars. With a perfect score of 250. Just look at that man. That man is so mad. But without further ado, this is the end of the video. See you later.